Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. Every year, I try my hardest to film a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial just because I think it's so cute and hearts and pink. So I realized this year with so much going on, I'm like, oh my god, Valentine's Day is literally in a couple of days. I need to get up on it. So here I am. Now, there's two videos that are going super viral on TikTok. And one is like one with little hearts and the other one is like the lipstick kiss all over your face. So I definitely want to try out both looks, but today for Instagram, I will be trying out this one with the little hearts. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's this one. Is this look from this creator. She is bomb. Her name is Sour and Nasty, so make sure you go ahead and follow her. I will be trying the second look hopefully this weekend, and if I do, that will be on my TikTok, so I'll make sure to have that down below or put it somewhere up here. So your girl is a blonde today. I went ahead and I threw on one of my blonde wigs, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and yeah, we'll come back for foundation and everything else. So this is my first time trying this specific foundation. This is from LYS and it is a clean beauty brand. Hopefully this is my shade. Like, I really bought it, and I did a video, actually a Sephora video, showing you all the new products I bought, and this was one. I never really had the chance to try it. Oh, it's dark. Maybe if I don't know why I'm spreading it with my fingers, but bear with me. I just want to make sure that it'll work, and I think it actually does work. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my Sigma flat kabuki brush and just get this all over my face. Oh, this is a really nice foundation. I'm so glad that I tried it for this video. I wanted to do a separate video just trying it. The coverage is definitely there. So this is a little bit more closer to my summer shade, but it does give me a nice glow. Oh my god, so pretty. Next, I'm going to bronze up my skin using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour, and it's like, honestly, I've been feeling like this is like a hit or miss product for me. I think I need to get used to using it more. It does have a little bit of a red undertone, which you guys, I don't really like, but I feel like I could make it work. You know what I mean? This is a crown brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and start with my nose. I feel like this and the color of the foundation are so similar. So I definitely have to go in with two concealers just to kind of balance out the skin tone. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this out using my Makeup Forever 158 brush, and I like using the tapered end. Okay, so I'm going in with concealer now. I have the NYX Bear With Me concealer. You guys know I've been loving this. I have like 10 videos on it. It feels like 10 videos. It's not 10 videos. Literally one, and I'll make sure and I'll put it down below because it is so good. You cannot miss out. So I'm going to pick up my Morphe 173 brush and just start to apply that. I wish I had two shades of this, honestly. I feel like this should just be like a product review slash Valentine's Day look, because we're going into another clean product. This is also from LYS, and this is the Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush, and I got the shade Empower. So I'm gonna go in with a blush brush because after this, I think we're done with creams. And this is pretty. You guys know I love my orange when it comes to blush, but this is really pretty actually. It's very Valentine's Day-ish. So this really applies well. As I film, I have to keep checking my mic because I filmed a whole other video again, like you guys know what happened, and I did a voiceover, but this one the voice needed to be with the video because it was just like a lot of me talking, and it just became a little bit of, it just became so annoying. Like so annoying where I was just like, you know what, I'll just redo the video. It's safe to say that I don't have any dimension. I don't feel in my face right now. I definitely have a lot of lightening to do in the areas that I do like lightened, but I'm gonna go in with a little powder, a small amount of powder first, and this is my Laura Mercier powder, and this is the travel one. But as I said, I was traveling, I was away for a while, so I have a lot of my things in my travel bag. This is one. I'm going to go in with the brush and just pick up a little bit of brush, and that's a nice way to start getting the products you have on used to, like, okay, we're about to set a bunch of powder down. It's just putting a little bit of powder at a time. So I'm just picking up some of that. And I'm going over everything. Very different than how I've been doing my makeup lately. I have not been setting my makeup all the way. What she does is she puts like a pink where the hearts go on the outside and the inside, kind of like a halo eye. And then she has glitter in the middle. So I think for this look, we're going to be using the Ticket to Dreamland palette from ColourPop. The shades Funhouse, Come One, and Vivid. First picking up the color Funhouse, and I'm putting that just on the inner tear duct area and kind of just messily putting it there, and also on the outside. So I'll do that now. Obviously, first I'm gonna prime because obviously I did not prime. Priming is very important. I'm doing TikToks, YouTube, and I have to be done in 1 hour. So pray for me. Yeah, cause. So I'm also adding that pink to the outer corner as well. So what are your plans for Valentine's Day? I always like to ask because I don't feel like Valentine's Day is only for couples, you know? I feel like it's just a time to show extra love. Like yesterday I went to visit my mom and I brought her some chocolates and strawberries. I mean, we should always show love to people we love, but a little bit extra on times like this when some people do feel a little bit lonely, and you know, it is a Hallmark holiday, I get it, but that does not mean that it also can't be something that reminds us to just kind of show love to the people we love. I don't want to do too much because I feel like she just did kind of like a wash of color. So I'm bringing it up and over, just right here. Just putting that same pink right here. I'm running it towards the whole thing just as I don't know what I want to do, but right now that is what I feel like doing. Putting that vivid color right on the lid. Just using my fingers, nothing too crazy. Okay, so on top of that, I'm going to go in with that gold color. Pretty. And I love, like, I really love it. Really, really. I'm bringing that up, like, there are no rules here today. And honestly, I think you should just like do it with your finger. Go all over the whole thing with your finger. And I'm going back in and just kind of, this area got a little rough. So I'm just putting that up. Okay, so for the hearts, I'm going to go in with liquid lipsticks. I was going to go in with water activated paints, but yeah, it's a lot of layering and that would just mess up the whole vibe. So I'm going to use, so I'm going to start off with this one from Jeffree Star. It's called Doll Parts and it is a medium pink almost. So it's a good way to start like figuring it out. So this is a small brush I'm going to be using. I got this from Amazon forever ago. And I think I'm going to start by just doing like little V's and let's see how that goes. Okay, not too shabby. I don't know, that looks more like a bird, but let's keep on going. I'm just gonna try to keep them small. All right, now the other eye. I'm literally just like making one line and then making another line, but like a V. And then making it like fattening it up a little bit. And now I'm going in with this brighter pink. Trying to keep them small is so hard. Why is that the hard part? I took a screenshot of the video and then I'm just like referencing back to that as I keep like building it up. So now I'm going in with red. Red is a third color. I think I'm gonna do 4 colors. So after red, I'm gonna go in with white just to kind of make it pop. I don't like the consistency of this one. Ugh. Okay, I'm going in with another red. I'm going to give everything a minute to dry before I go in with the white. Okay, for the white, I'm going in with Drug Lord from Jeffree Star. I think all the hearts are done. I'm happy with how it turned out. I will go ahead and just apply a lash now. So I'm going back in with some Fenty bronzer. I really want, like I said, a really snatched face. For a highlight, I'm throwing it back to the Nicole Guerrero palette because it has like this really pretty colors called Kitty Cat here, and I'm gonna mix that with this one. Sometimes I need like a super extra highlight. Sometimes I don't like it. Today is one of those sometimes. I'm putting this in my inner tear duct. Lashes are on, everything's on. I'm loving how the look is looking. Like she's giving. Now we have to figure out lips. So I don't know what to do for lips, honestly. Like, should we keep it basic? Okay, I went ahead and I took off that dead skin off my lips. Now I don't know, I feel like I have a combination of so many colors that I kind of just want to mix it, and that's another thing that's trending on TikTok. A bunch of colors and you just kind of so maybe we'll do that. Let's see. I'm just gonna combine colors and go from there. All the same lipsticks that I used in my eyes, I'm going to be using on my lips. Alright guys, that wraps up today's look. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe while you're here. Let me know down below what you would like to see next. I hope that if you did try this with me, that I explained it clearly. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.